Section 1. Windows, the eyes of your home. Building a new home is such a rewarding experience. It's a journey filled with excitement, creativity, and a sense of accomplishment. From the initial planning stages to the final touches, every decision you make shapes the place you'll call home. It's all about creating a space that reflects your style and values. Your home is an extension of who you are, a canvas where you can express your personality and preferences. Every element, from the color of the walls to the furniture you choose, tells a story about you. One of the most important aspects: windows. They are not just functional elements, they are architectural features that can define the character of your home. The right windows can enhance the aesthetic appeal and add a touch of elegance to any room. They're the eyes of your home, connecting you to the outside world. Through them, you can enjoy the beauty of nature, watch the changing seasons, and feel a sense of connection with your surroundings. They bring the outside in, creating a seamless blend between your indoor and outdoor spaces. Choosing the right windows can completely transform your home's look and feel. Whether you're renovating an old house or building a new one, the style, size, and placement of windows can make a significant difference. They can turn a dark, cramped room into a bright, airy space. They flood rooms with natural light, making them feel larger and more inviting. Natural light has a way of lifting our spirits and making us feel more connected to the world outside. It can enhance the colors and textures in your home, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere. And let's not forget about the views. A well-placed window can offer breathtaking vistas, whether it's a panoramic view of the city skyline, a serene landscape, or a picturesque garden. These views can become focal points in your home, providing a sense of tranquility and inspiration. Imagine waking up to a stunning sunrise or enjoying a peaceful evening sunset. These moments can add a touch of magic to your daily routine, making your home a place of comfort and joy. The right windows can frame these experiences, turning ordinary moments into cherished memories. But windows are more than just pretty faces. They are essential components of your home's overall functionality. Modern windows come with a range of features designed to enhance comfort, security, and energy efficiency. They play a crucial role in energy efficiency, impacting your home's comfort and your energy bills. High-quality windows can help regulate indoor temperatures, reducing the need for artificial heating and cooling. This not only saves you money, but also contributes to a more sustainable lifestyle. Good windows can help keep your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Insulated windows, for example, provide an extra layer of protection against the elements, ensuring that your home remains comfortable year-round. They can also reduce noise pollution, creating a peaceful and quiet environment. So, whether you're just starting to dream about your new home or are knee-deep in blueprints, take the time to explore the world of windows. There are countless options available, from traditional to contemporary styles, each offering unique benefits and aesthetic appeal. Trust me, it's worth it. Investing in the right windows can enhance your home's beauty, comfort, and efficiency, making it a place you'll love for years to come. So, take a closer look at the eyes of your home and discover the endless possibilities they offer. Section 2. Picture windows framing your world. Let's start with the classic, the picture window. Picture windows are all about maximizing your view. These large fixed windows act like beautiful frames for the world outside. They're perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or any space where you want to bring the outdoors in. Imagine curling up with a good book in a sun-drenched living room, the world unfolding before you. Picture windows are also incredibly versatile. They can be paired with other window styles to create a dynamic look. For example, flanking a picture window with casement windows adds ventilation and architectural interest. Remember, picture windows are designed to showcase the view, so choose their placement carefully. Think about the direction they face and the scenery they'll capture. Section 3. Casement windows, classic charm, modern function. Casement windows are a timeless choice, offering both beauty and functionality. These windows are hinged on the side and open outward with a crank mechanism. What's great about them? They provide excellent ventilation. When open, casement windows catch the breeze and direct it inwards, creating a refreshing airflow. This makes them ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, or any room that needs extra ventilation. Casement windows also offer superior energy efficiency. When closed, the sash presses tightly against the frame, creating a tight seal. This prevents drafts and helps regulate indoor temperatures. With their clean lines and classic look, casement windows complement a variety of architectural styles. They're a versatile choice for any new home. Section 4. Sliding windows, seamless transitions, abundant light. If you love open, airy spaces, then sliding windows are for you. These windows feature 2 or more sashes that slide horizontally, allowing for easy operation and maximum natural light. Sliding windows are known for their sleek, contemporary look. They're a popular choice for modern and minimalist homes, but their versatility allows them to blend seamlessly with other styles as well. One of the biggest advantages of sliding windows is their space-saving design. Because they don't swing inward or outward, they're perfect for rooms where furniture or walkways might be an issue. Consider sliding windows for patios, decks, or any area where you want to seamlessly blend indoor and outdoor living. They're also a great option for bedrooms, offering expansive views and easy access to fresh air. Section 5. Awning windows. Weatherproof ventilation, stylish design. Awning windows are the perfect blend of style and practicality. These windows are hinged at the top and open outward, creating a protective awning that allows for ventilation even during light rain. This makes awning windows an excellent choice for areas with unpredictable weather. You can enjoy fresh air without worrying about rain getting inside. They're also incredibly versatile. Awning windows can be installed individually or grouped together to create larger window combinations. This allows you to customize the look of your home and maximize natural light. Because of their unique design, awning windows offer excellent privacy. When open, they create an upward airflow, allowing fresh air in while maintaining a degree of privacy. Section 6. Bay and bow windows, expanding space and light. Want to add a touch of grandeur to your new home? Consider bay or bow windows. These stunning architectural features instantly elevate any space, creating a focal point and flooding the room with natural light. Bay windows consist of 3 or more windows angled outward, forming a bay shape. They're perfect for creating a cozy reading nook, a sunny breakfast area, or a dramatic focal point in a living room. Bow windows are similar to bay windows but feature a more gentle curve, creating a graceful, rounded appearance. They're ideal for larger rooms where you want to maximize natural light and create a sense of spaciousness. Both bay and bow windows offer the added benefit of expanding your living space. They create an alcove that can be used for seating, storage, or simply to enjoy the view. Let's not forget about the roof. Skylights offer a unique opportunity to flood your home with natural light, even in rooms that don't have traditional windows. Imagine waking up to a sky full of stars or enjoying a warm summer rain shower from the comfort of your own bed. Skylights create a connection to the outdoors that's truly magical. They're also incredibly energy efficient, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. Plus, they can help ventilate your home by allowing hot air to escape through the roof. Skylights are a versatile addition to any new home, from bathrooms and kitchens to hallways and living rooms. They can even be installed in closets and laundry rooms to brighten up these often overlooked spaces. In today's world, energy efficiency is more important than ever. And when it comes to your home, windows play a crucial role. Choosing energy-efficient windows can significantly impact your comfort, your wallet, and the environment. Look for windows with features like double or triple pane glass, low emissivity, low E coatings, and gas fills between the panes. These features work together to prevent heat transfer, keeping your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. Energy-efficient windows not only reduce your energy bills, but they also make your home more comfortable year-round. You'll experience fewer drafts, more consistent temperatures, and a quieter indoor environment. Plus, by using less energy, you'll be reducing your carbon footprint and contributing to a healthier planet. It's a win-win situation for you and the environment. Choosing the right windows for your new home can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Start by thinking about your needs, your style, and your budget. Consider the architectural style of your home. Do you want to maintain a traditional look or go for a more modern feel? Each window style has its own unique aesthetic, so choose one that complements your home's overall design. Think about the function of each room. Do you need maximum ventilation in the kitchen? Privacy in the bathroom? Natural light in the living room? Different window styles offer different benefits, so choose accordingly. Don't be afraid to mix and match window styles to create visual interest and customize your home's look. For example, you could pair large picture windows with smaller casement windows for a balanced and functional design. Windows are more than just openings in your home. They're a connection to the world outside, a source of natural light, and a key element in creating a comfortable and energy-efficient living space. When choosing windows for your new home, remember to consider aesthetics, functionality, and energy efficiency. By carefully selecting the right windows, you can enhance your home's beauty, comfort, and value for years to come. So take your time, do your research, and don't be afraid to ask for help. With a little planning and the right information, you can create a home that's filled with natural light, fresh air, and a whole lot of style.